my screen now? I'm sharing it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, but I'm not going to open camera, okay? So that you can still see my screen. Is it okay, Sachi?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, for today, we will be having sight word.
Dear.
Sight word did. Okay. Now, let's read.
I did my homework.
Very good.
I
So,
did my reading. Yes, I did. I did my math. Yes, I did. I did all my homework. Yes, I did. I did it at.
I did it all.
I did it all, and I am the homework kid.
Okay, very good. So, now if I ask you, what did, I'm going to ask you, okay? So, what did you do yesterday?
I playing.
I
Team.
What did you do yesterday?
Playing.
I played. Can we say?
I play.
I played yesterday.
I play yesterday.
Okay, very good. So now another. Did you did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Okay, very good. Next, did you um did you do your homework yesterday?
No.
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't. Another. Did you play with your friends yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Okay, very good. Now, another question, another word. Let's move with another sight word.
What
What? So let's read.
do they say?
What do they say?
What do they say? What does the cat say? Moo.
Ooh, very good. Next.
What does the
What does the rooster
What does the rooster say?
What does the rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Okay. How about this?
What does the horse say?
What does the horse say? What does the horse say? Nah. How about this?
How about what does the frog say? Moo. Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Moo. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Then, meh. Now, I want to ask you, what does the cat say?
What does the cat say?
What does the cat say, Sachi? Do you know?
Meow.
Okay, very good.
Meow.
How about this? What does the dog say?
Woo, woo.
Wow, very good. What is that? Is that a bear?
No, a cat.
What is it?
A cat.
A cat. Wow. So how about another? What does the pig say?
Ooh.
Oink, oink. So, okay, that's great. Now, let's move with another sight word. Sight word.
Now, 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 now.
Now, okay, so sight word now. So, let's have
Now, now, now.
now. Okay, so let's read.
Meow, meow, meow. My cat wants his dinner right now. Meow, meow, meow. He
wants
wants his toy right now. Meow, meow, meow. He wants to be
brushed.
right now. He wants it all right now. Meow, meow, meow.
Okay, very good job, Sochi. So again, what does the cat needs or wants right now?
My
The cat wants.
the cat wants his dinner right now.
Very good. So now let us move on with another word, which is
How?
how. Okay, so let's read. How?
How many?
How many? Okay, please read.
How many birds?
Count how many birds. So how many birds can you see? How many birds can you see, Sochi?
I can see 3 birds.
Let's count the birds.
1,
1,
2, 3.
2, 3. Very good. Next. Count. Let's read first.
Count how many bees?
Count how many bees. So, how many bees can you see?
I can see.
How many? Let's count. 1,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Next.
How many 3? 3.
Count how many trees. How many can you see?
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Now,
How you can
you know
how to do it. Count 1, 2, 3.
Okay, very good. Now, Sochi, look at the chat box. What can you see?
I can see a balloon.
You can see a balloon. Great. Now, look. How many balloons can you see?
I can see 6.
You can see
6 balloons.
very good. Now what about this? What can you see?
I can see a cute dog.
You can see a cute dog. Very good. Now, do you like dog, Sachi?
No,
Why no?
because it's not cute like cat.
I see. So look at this. How many dogs can you see?
It is 3 dogs.
I can see. Let's repeat. How many dogs can you see? I can see.
3 dogs.
One more time, Sachi. How many dogs can you see?
I can see 3 dogs.
Okay, you can see 3 dogs. Very good. Now, Sachi, Sachi, how about this? Let me show you another picture. Okay, these. What can you see, Sachi?
A flower.
You can see flower. Very good. Now, I'd like you to look. Wow, you have pink flower as well. That's great. How many flowers do you have, Sachi?
1,000.
You have 1,000 flowers. Can you show it to teacher?
No.
Okay, then. So, how about this? How many flowers can you see?
I can see 6 flowers.
Very good job. Okay.
But I
So,
want a purple flower.
you want a?
Cat.
You want a cat?
Cat.
I can't hear it well.
Cat.
Okay, so those are flowers. Now, how about this? Let me show you a picture. What's this?
A cat.
Okay,
But I
a
want
cat.
a white cat.
So white cat. Okay. Now look at this. What can you see?
A cat. So cute.
Okay. How many cats can you see here now?
I can see 4 cats.
Very good. So now, Sachi, I guess that would be all for this book. Let's now move on with your next book. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So if you can see my screen, quick moment. Let me show you. Look, what is the weather like here?
It's sunny.
The weather is
Sunny.
sunny. Okay. Sachi, what is the weather like in your place today?
It is sunny.
It is sunny. That is great. Now look at this picture. What is the weather like today? Here in this picture.
Rainy.
It is
Rainy.
It is rainy. Okay. And how about this one? What is the weather like in what is the weather like in the picture?
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy. Very good. And look at this. What is the weather like in this picture?
Snowy.
Is that is
Snowy.
snowy. Very good. And look at this. What is the weather like in this picture?
It's sunny.
It is sunny again. And what's this?
An umbrella.
An umbrella. Very good. And this? What's this? Umbrella again. How about this one? What's this? What's that?
A jacket.
A jacket. So, Sochi, do we wear jacket when it's sunny?
No.
No, we don't wear
No, we don't wear
jacket when it's
sunny.
sunny. So when do we use jacket? When do we use jacket?
And snowy.
Oh, very good. So how about this? Do you know this? What's this?
I don't know.
That is a swimsuit, swimwear. That's right. This is a swimwear.
This is a swimwear.
Okay, do you have swimwear
No.
or swimsuit? You don't have swimsuit. Okay, so if I ask, when do we use swimsuit? Do you know?
In the sunny.
We use swimsuit in
Sunny.
summer. Very good. Now look at this. What's this?
I don't know.
You don't know. So that is how do you read that? Gloves.
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 How about this? What's this?
I don't know.
You don't know it?
Yeah,
That is shorts. What's that? What's that again? Okay. How about this?
Boot.
This is boots. So, Sochi, do you have boots?
No, I don't.
Okay. But when do we use boots?
In snowy and windy.
We use boots when it's
Snowy and winter.
Do we use boots when it's windy or winter? What about rainy day? Do we use boots when it rains?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, let us move. Okay. Let's have this. So, quick moment. Okay, look at this. Can you see? Can you see the picture? Yes. Look, what's this?
A bicycle.
It's a
Bicycle.
It's a bicycle. Very good. Now, Sochi, do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have it.
Oh, what color is your bicycle?
is Kurami.
What color is your bicycle again? Is it red like in the picture?
No, it's blue.
It is blue.
I
Wow.
have 1,000.
You have 1,000 of bicycles as well?
Yes.
That's too many. Okay, so how about this? What's this?
A ball.
That is a ball. Very good. What kind of ball is it? What kind of ball is that? Is that a basketball or a football?
A football.
That is a football. Great. Now, Sachi, do you know how to play football?
Yeah.
Yes. So, do you play football?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. How about this? What is the boy doing in the picture?
It plays basketball.
He is playing basketball. Very good. Now, Sachi, do you want to play basketball as well?
Yes.
Yes. So, who are you going to play with?
My friend.
I'm going to play with
My friend.
with your friends. That's good. Okay. Now look at this. What can you see in this picture? What can you see in that picture?
The boy and his dad.
Okay, the boy and his dad. What are they doing?
They are playing.
They are playing. So what do you think they are playing? What game?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. But if I ask you, Sachi, do you play with your dad as well?
Sometimes I play with my dad.
What play do you play with your dad? What game? Hide and seek. Wow, that's good. How about next? What is this girl doing?
It is play basketball.
She is playing. Okay, she is playing basketball. That's good. Now, what's this? Do you know what's this?
I don't know.
This is baseball. Very good. Do you know how to play baseball?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. Okay, but do you want to know how to play baseball?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, now let us move. What's this?
A kite.
It's a kite. When do we play kite? Do we play kite when it's snowy?
No, it's windy.
Okay, so we play kite when it's
Windy.
windy. Very good. And what ball is this?
Ball.
What ball? That is a basketball. Very good. Now, look. How is this feeling? This is sad. How about this? Happy. Okay. So, can you tell me or can you show me a happy face? A sad face. Angry face. Scared. Wow. Crying. Okay, very good then. How about sleepy? Very good. Okay, so what about bored? Tired. Okay, very good. So now another look at this picture. What's this?
It's a sofa.
It's a sofa. So do you have sofa at home?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me what color is the sofa in the picture?
Pink.
Is that pink or purple?
Pink and purple.
Is that pink? I can see pink here. That is purple. Okay. So now, Sochi, I guess that would be all for today. Do you have question?
No.
No question. Okay. If you don't have question, then I guess that would be all for now. So, Sochi, thank you so much for having our class and goodbye for now. So, goodbye, Sochi.
Goodbye, teacher.
I'll see you again. Bye.